Hey guys, it's Tammy with nursing.com. Let's talk about how to use your nursing.com account to prepare for the HESI or TEAS, depending on which one you're taking. So what I would do is come into the courses, and we actually have a HESI prep course and we have a TEAS prep course. So I would actually start here. So depending on which one you're doing, let's just say we're doing the HESI prep. Let's go ahead and click on lessons, click on any lesson, and then now you can come in here and review each lesson, print out the nursing outlines. Once you've completed one lesson, go ahead and move on to the next one. You can move on to the next one by clicking the arrow or just clicking on the side tab bar. Once you've completed the math section, go ahead and move on to language arts and so on. Once you've completed the entire study plan, then what I would do is come into your practice questions. From your practice questions, depending on if you're taking the HESI or the TEAS, you can either take a pop quiz or you can create a new quiz. I would suggest creating a new quiz. That way you can get a lot of questions out at once. Now, what I would do is select all, and this is going to be all of the categories that you need to know for the HESI. Select 50 questions and then go ahead and start practicing. After each question, you're going to get a rationale. So let's just go ahead and answer this question, hit submit, and then you're going to get a rationale as to why you got that question wrong. So let's go ahead and keep scrolling. So it says you got that question wrong, and here's the right answer, and this is why you got it wrong. After you're done with your quiz, you can come back in here and you can review which areas you were weak in and which areas you weren't so great in. So it's going to break it down for you. So it's going to tell you how many you attempted and how many you got correct. Now you'll be able to tell here which areas you need to go back and review in your study plan. So let's just say we are at 50% in anatomy and physiology. We say to aim between 55 and 60%. And if you're below that, then those are the areas that you need to go back and work on. So let's say we're at 50% in A&P. We know that we need to go back and review the A&P course. Now, that's kind of what you're going to want to do with each one of these categories. All right, let's keep scrolling down. You can actually view your quiz history right here. So if you review your exam, you'll be able to see the ones you got right and the ones you got wrong, and you'll be able to view the rationales right from here. So I hope this video helps and shows you how to prepare for the HESI or the TEAS, depending on which one. If you have any questions, please reach out at any time. Now go out and be your best selves today, and happy nursing.